You can already see on the screen how beautiful and amazing these videos look. And in the same way, today we are going to recreate this viral trend. And the crazy part is, this trend is just a few days old, and it's already going extremely viral. So I highly recommend you start working on this today. Now, if we take a look at this channel, the videos here were uploaded just 1 or 2 days ago. And look at the views, 30,000, 25,000, 60,000, and more. This is not even a big channel, but it's getting massive views, and it's already monetized. If you check the subscribers, it has only a few thousand subscribers with just a handful of videos. So the opportunity here is very clear. And the best part, the video you are watching right now is created completely using AI tools. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these types of videos step by step. Let's get started. I've already prepared a master prompt for you. Inside that prompt, everything is structured properly, how the characters should look, how the design should be, and even the tone of the voiceover. In part 1, you'll get multiple image prompts, and in part 2, you'll get video prompts along with voiceover lines, just like these viral videos. So basically, everything is already done for you. All you need to do is copy the prompt from the description. Then go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and click Generate. As soon as you run it, ChatGPT will give you multiple image prompts in a consistent style. If the generated character doesn't match properly, for example, if the colors are off, you can simply adjust the prompt slightly and regenerate it. You'll also see that your video prompts and voiceover lines are already prepared. So at this point, everything is ready. Now let's move to generation. For image generation, we'll use Whisk. Open Whisk, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and paste your first image prompt. Then click Generate. After a few seconds, your image will be ready. Choose the best one and download it. Repeat the same process for all the image prompts. Now for video generation. We'll use VO3. Upload your first image, then copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. Select your settings and click Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. Once you're satisfied, download the clip in the highest quality. Now copy the next prompt, paste it, and generate again. This will create the next scene in your video. Repeat this process for all prompts. Now import everything into your editing software. Add your voiceover, adjust timing, and your final video is complete. And that's it. Now you know how to create these viral AI character videos step by step. If you want more free AI video creation tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.